Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to back up your data and factory reset Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, go into the Gmail just to check if you are logged into the Google account. Then Settings, scroll to Accounts and Backup, and here you can back up data to Samsung Cloud or to Google Drive. From here also you can restore data later on. Now go into the General Management, and from here we have the Reset, and here Factory Data Reset. And remember that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, download apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service providers, apps and content. Also, you will be logged out of this right here accounts, and these apps will be uninstalled. Right here, just hit reset. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.